In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to change your language inside of Jira. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Jira like you usually would. Then from here, you should open something like this when you're logged into your account. And now let's go up to change the language. And to do that, you need to go up to the settings bar up here in the right hand corner and go down to general settings. Then from here, you should open something like this. And here you can see language, but it will be grayed out. That's because you need to go down to configure your language settings in your profile settings page instead. And you need to click on this. From here, you can change the language and the time zone of your Jira dashboards right here. So let's say I want it in English UK instead of US, like so. And as you can see here, you have changed the language. Now you need to close it down and update it or refresh the page. Like so, and as you can see here, English United Kingdom is right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!